Hello everyone, today let's talk about homework number 8, problem number 1. So first let's see the problem. First, let's suppose WT is a stochastic process with the mean of WT equals to 0 and RW T1 T2 equal to alpha, the minimum of T1, the minimum between T1 and T2. And now let's define yt equal to wt minus wt minus 1 for t over 1 and equal to 0 for t less than 1. So now we need to find the mean of yt and ry t1 t2, and we need to find out that if yt is wss. So now let's begin. First, we know that the mean of yt equals to the mean of wt minus wt minus 1, and since we know that the mean of wt equals to 0 and we have this equals to 0 either, and now we have ry t1 t2, this one equals to the mean of wt1 minus wt1 minus 1, and this times wt2 minus wt2 minus 1, this, and this also equals to alpha, the mean of t1 t2 minus the mean of t1 t2 minus 1, and minus the mean of t1 minus 1 and t2, and plus the mean of t1 minus 1 t2 minus 1. So let's discuss in two situations. First, when we have t2 less than t1 and t2 less than t1 minus 1, we have ry t1 t2 equals to alpha, the mean of t1 t2 minus the mean of t1 t2 minus 1 minus the mean of t1 minus 1 t2 plus the mean of t1 minus 1 t2 minus 1. So this also equals to the alpha times t2 minus t2 plus 1 minus t2 plus t2 minus 1 is equals to 0. And then when t2 less than t1 and t2 plus 1 is larger than t1, then we have ry t1 t2 equals to alpha, the mean of t1 t2 minus the minimum of t1 t2 minus 1 minus the mean of t1 minus 1 t2 plus the mean of 1 minus 1 and t2 minus 1. This equals to alpha times t2 minus t2 plus 1 minus t1 plus 1 plus t2 minus 1. So this equals to alpha times 1 minus t1 plus t2. So in the conclusion, we have in all the cases we have ry t1 t2 equals to 0 or alpha times 1 minus t1 plus t2. So this is for t1 minus t2 on 1. This is the absolute value of t1 minus t2 less than 1. So from this we can see that yt is WSS. So this is a solution of problem number 1. Thank you so much.